Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and would share with you the remote job opportunities as well. So the very first opportunity is with respect to the freshers, and the they are looking for freshers who have got their own laptops and the Wi-Fi connection. So this is a full-time remote role. And if you are interested, you can share your CV to this particular email address. They are looking for graduate, and the package also is given 15K to 20K. Now, whenever you have such kind of packages, at least you give the interviews, right? There is no harm in giving the interviews. You would come to know what is your level, what is what are the expectations from the market, right? How you can improve, which are the areas you have to improve, right? So give the interviews. And if anyone is asking you for amount or any kind of money, any sort of financing, then please ignore, just block them for the from the things, right? So don't attend their calls as well. Then there is a hiring for one of the client in a Bangalore-based location, and this is with respect to the QA automation role. And the job location is Bangalore. Experience is 3 to 15 years. Mode of work is work from office. Required skills for the job is experience in DevOps, Python scripting, familiar with Postman, Selenium, Git, and Docker. So interested candidates, you can share your resumes to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for SDET, and they are looking for someone who is having 7 to 9 years of experience to join the QA team in Noida location. And they are looking for someone who has proficiency in Java programming, excellent skills for XPath creation, designing framework using Selenium, experience with Jenkins for CI/CD pipelines, in-depth knowledge of software testing methodologies and best practices, experience with version control systems like Git, and you can share your CV to this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for QA. Again, this is a remote job. So they are looking for someone who is having experience of 2 to 3 years. Two openings are there, and they are preferring someone who can join immediately in the month of December, or someone who is serving the notice period. So the responsibilities is test planning, manual automation testing, bug logging, regression testing, collaborating with cross-functional teams. So these are the requirements, and you can share your CV to this email address with the subject line as application for quality assurance, and include test total experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, and LinkedIn ID as well. Then there is a requirement for manual tester, 2 plus years, Ahmedabad location, up to 7 LPA package would be given. And you can apply over here to this particular link itself. Then Cognizant is hiring for multiple automation testing roles across experience. For example, they are looking for automation test lead, playwright, rest assured, Cypress mainframe automation testing. Location is Chennai, and yeah, as you can see, the experience 8 to 12 years, 3 to 10 years. So mid, from mid to senior levels of hirings are there. So this is the email address wherein you have to share your CV. Then there is one more opportunity with respect to the functional test engineer, and it is for the location of Hyderabad. So you are expected to have 2 to 4 years of experience. Candidates who are skilled in functional testing, defect tracking, and test documentation can apply. Then testers with exposure to product-based application testing, who have done product-based testing, those people can also apply. Then there is a requirement for fresher, and this opportunity is for the functional test engineer. Sorry, there is a requirement for fresher, and they are looking for immediate joiners for Gurugram location, and freshers, gamers, game testers, game testing, manual QA testers, games. All those people can apply who are aware about the game testing, right? So work from location is Gurgaon, and it is work from office only, and these are the expectations from them, right? 3 LPA would be the salary, 5 days working, and interested candidates can share their CV to this particular email address, right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.